Take a look at verse 29. It says, "For whom he foreknew, he also predestined to be conformed to the image of his Son, that he might be the firstborn among many brethren. Moreover, whom he predestined, those he also called. Whom he called, these he also justified. And whom he justified, these he also glorified." God has a predetermined plan, and that plan is to create a spiritual family. And so how does that happen? Well, ultimately, he says, he calls people. Kaleo is the word for called here, and it has that connotation of an invitation or a summons. And of course, the ultimate part of this here is that if we're going to be in the kingdom, what are we going to be like? He says we're going to be like his Son. We will be conformed to the image of his Son. That's been predetermined. We have to be like Jesus Christ.